Now this time around the dual float is connected, but the secondary battery I have taken it out, so that is not connected. I have been pouring water and it's just below the primary float, the bottom float. Let me add more water and see if that kicks in. Okay, adding a bit more water. Here we go, a little more water. Yeah, it kicked in the primary pump. So as soon as the water touched the bottom float, the primary kicked on and it stopped. It drained the water. It stopped where it needed to stop. So as long as my battery's secondary is not powered on, my primary is working perfectly fine. Only when the battery backup is connected, the primary does not kick in, and it's goes up, water goes up till secondary, and then secondary kicks in.